we all fell in love with the team up. Sabay tayong umiyak nang naghiwalay sila. But today, after 7 years, they are back in the big screen, August 14. Please welcome Joshua Garcia and Julia Barreto! Habang pinatutugtog ang Paubaya, a controversial Paubaya song. Oh my God, you can never go wrong talaga sa kilig ng dalawang ito. I saw the trailer, they were so fierce, they were so natural, ang galing. No, daktabat sa galing nilang dalawa. Julia was in her most natural in this movie. And Joshua is in his most intense. Please, dito sa gitna. Joshua is officially back! Upang-upang. The most sought after and bankable actors nowadays from Star Ranking and from Viva together in the Star Cinema movie and Viva. Sorry. Okay, I'd like to call in everyone, the whole cast, and our directors, director and the creatives for a group photo.
Baro na ako. Baro na ako. Ay,
Reset na kasi.
Ay, sorry. Okay, you may now enter the coffee theater so we can start. This is one of the trailers I'm truly proud na ipalabas na mapanood yun tonight. Sisimulan tayo ng saya, kilig din sa ating pahit. The magic still there, di ba? Andun pa rin talaga nag-iba at iba ang talaga dating ang hatid ng Josh Lia. Okay, pasok na po tayo.